Imagine walking into your favorite fast food joint in the 1980s, the neon lights glowing, the smell of fries in the air, and a menu filled with items you've never seen before. Some were weird, some were wacky, and some were downright unforgettable. Today, we're taking a bite out of nostalgia and exploring 3 strange fast food items America loved in the 80s. From burgers that tried to defy physics to pizzas that blurred the line between dinner and dessert. Get ready to remember a time when fast food wasn't just food, it was an adventure. First, the McDLT, hot and cold side by side. Ever wondered what it would be like to eat a burger that was both hot and cold at the same time? In 1984, McDonald's introduced the McDLT, short for McDonald's lettuce and tomato. The gimmick was the packaging. The burger came in a unique 2-compartment styrofoam container. The hot beef and bottom bun sat on one side, while the cold lettuce, tomato, cheese, and top bun stayed on the other. It was an era obsessed with convenience and novelty, and this design promised the best of both worlds. Americans loved it. The McDLT became a talking point, a perfect mix of fun and taste. People were drawn to the clever packaging and the idea of controlling exactly when the ingredients mixed. It was featured in ads, discussed in school lunchrooms, and quickly became a pop culture icon. But behind the innovation, there was a twist. Environmentalists were alarmed by the styrofoam container, which wasn't recyclable. That very container, which made the McDLT famous, eventually led to its decline. By the early 1990s, it disappeared from menus, leaving only memories and a nostalgia uniquely tied to the 80s. While McDonald's was redefining the burger experience, Taco Bell was quietly experimenting with a creation that would confuse taste buds and blur the lines between fast food genres. Second, Taco Bell's Bell Beefer, a burger in disguise. What happens when a taco decides to dress up like a burger? In the 1980s, Taco Bell introduced the Bell Beefer, a sandwich that looked like a sloppy Joe but carried the bold flavors of Taco Bell. Served on a hamburger bun, it featured seasoned ground beef, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. Fast food chains were racing to innovate, and Taco Bell wanted to capture burger lovers without losing its taco-loving fan base. The Bell Beefer was oddly satisfying. Customers loved its messy, flavorful charm, and it became a cult favorite for those seeking something different from the standard taco. It was cheap, filling, and emblematic of the 80s' fearless culinary experiments. Yet the Bell Beefer didn't last. Despite its initial popularity, it quietly vanished by the 1990s, leaving a trail of nostalgic memories for those who dared to try it. Fans still reminisce online, posting photos and stories, proving that even the strangest fast food can leave a lasting mark. And while Taco Bell was mixing tacos with burgers, Pizza Hut was taking a daring step into dessert territory, transforming pizza night into a sweet, unforgettable treat. Third, Pizza Hut's dessert pizza, sweet meets savory. Who said pizza was only for dinner? In the 1980s, Pizza Hut introduced dessert pizzas, a sugary twist on their classic savory pies. These creations featured a cookie-like crust or sweet dough topped with chocolate, cinnamon, fruit, or even marshmallows. Fast food chains were pushing boundaries, and Pizza Hut wanted to turn a beloved comfort food into a dessert experience. Americans were intrigued and delighted. Dessert pizzas became a fun, family-friendly indulgence, perfect for birthday parties or a unique treat after dinner. They offered something unexpected, combining the joy of pizza with the sweet appeal of dessert, capturing the playful spirit of the 80s. Though dessert pizzas faded from mainstream menus, those who tried them still recall the excitement of ordering something so unusual. They represent a moment in time when fast food creativity knew no bounds, a delicious reminder of how adventurous America's appetite once was. From hot and cold burgers to taco burger hybrids and sweet pizzas that challenge tradition, these fast food oddities tell the story of an era defined by experimentation, curiosity, and a love for the unexpected. Fast food in the 1980s wasn't just about filling your stomach. It was about imagination, fun, and sometimes a little bit of weirdness. The McDLT, the Bell Beefer, and Pizza Hut's dessert pizzas may be gone, but their stories live on as a delicious slice of history. If this trip down fast food memory lane brought back some memories or even made you smile, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got more nostalgic journeys and fascinating stories coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep savoring the past.